Moin und herzlich willkommen zu einem kurzen Trip mit meinem Motorrad BMW 1200 GS Adventure. Viel Spaß!
The sun dips low, paints the sky in gold. Winding roads stretch, stories unfold. BMW hums, a steady sweet sound. Freedom calls me where dreams are found. Fields of green roll like an endless sea. Countryside whispers, stay here with me. Every curve a promise, every mile a song. This old B-road's where I belong. I'm cruising slow, wind in my hair. Rolling freedom, not having a care. Singing out loud, the world feels right. Dreaming along in the fading light. Barns and fences, shadows growing long. A symphony of crickets joins my song. The road keeps calling, it's a gentle guide through these hills where my heart resides. No rush, no worry, just the open air. A man and his bike, going anywhere. The moon starts rising, a beacon so bright, guiding me home through the velvet night. I'm cruising slow, wind in my hair. Rolling freedom, not having a care. Singing out loud, the world feels right. Dreaming along in the fading light.